Stop blinking, don't breathe, don't swallow. You just failed in less than 3 seconds. And that's because your brain is controlling your body without asking you for permission. Today, I'll show you how a 1.4 kilo organ controls everything you do, even while you're asleep. Stay till the end because one part of your brain could shut down your entire body in seconds. Your brain is like a CEO, a computer, and a security system, all at the same time. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought, even that random itch you feel right now, all controlled by billions of tiny cells firing electricity faster than lightning. You only control a tiny fraction of what your brain does. Let's start with movement. When you decide to move your hand, your brain sends electrical signals down your spinal cord, into your nerves, into your muscles. And boom, movement. But here's the twist. Your muscles don't know what to do on their own. Without your brain, they're just useless meat. In fact, even walking, something you think is automatic, requires constant brain calculations to keep you from falling. That's why brain injuries can suddenly take away walking, speech, or vision instantly. Now here's where it gets scary. Your brain controls your body even when you're unconscious. While you sleep, it keeps you breathing. It controls your heart. It repairs tissues. It sorts memories. You're basically on autopilot. This part of your brain is called the brainstem. And if it stops working, life stops immediately. No warning, no second chance. Ever made a bad decision and thought, why did I do that? That's because different parts of your brain fight for control. One part wants logic. Another wants pleasure. Another reacts with fear. Your brain is literally arguing with itself, and you feel it as stress, impulse, or regret. That's why emotions can overpower intelligence. Here's the wildest fact. Your brain has no pain receptors. It feels no pain itself, yet it creates pain for your entire body. That means the organ controlling pain cannot feel pain. Let that sink in. So the next time you breathe without thinking, move without effort, or feel emotions you can't explain, remember this. Your brain is running the most complex machine in the universe. You. And you've only explored a tiny part of its power. If you want more videos that make your body make sense, subscribe. Your brain will thank you for it.